Did you know that you can now make up to 20 times more money without getting more traffic? Yes, you don't need more traffic. The secret is you need to stack your income sources. Top bloggers do this all the time and they make thousands of dollars by doing that. Hi, my name is Ankur Shukla and today I am going to show you how you can do the same by adding 20 money machines to your website that can make you up to 20 times more money. If you have a site that's not making you any money, this is exactly what you need. Introducing WP Money Machine. This brand new WordPress plugin adds 20 money machines to your site that can 20x your income without more traffic. Imagine getting paid from sites like eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Google, Best Buy, Envato, ClickBank, and many others every single month. Imagine getting payments like this into your account month after month. Imagine not making just $1 or $5 from your site, but hundreds of dollars without worrying about traffic. Yes, all this is possible by adding these 20 money machines to your site. That's exactly what WP Money Machine can do for you. Want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you install the Money Machine plugin on your site, you will see all these money machines inside the plugin. Now all you have to do is enable these money machines to add more income to your site. AdSense ads, banner ads, text or image ads, floating banner ads, or product cards. Earn commissions from Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Walmart, Best Buy, GearBest, ClickBank, or Envato. Add inline links, in-text ads, floating call to action buttons, top bar actions, and sliders on the side, or even pop-ups with any content, or even new sticker style ads. All these 20 money machines can make you a lot more money from your site. Want to see each money machine and how it works? Let me show you. Money machine number 1. You can add AdSense ads to your site and show them anywhere in your posts or pages and make money on every click. Money machine number 2. You can add any kind of banner ads or sponsor ads to your site and make money from that. Money machine number 3. You can add your own text ads and make more money from your site. Money machine number 4. You can add your own image ads and get paid more from your site. Money machine number 5. You can promote Amazon products and get paid commissions from Amazon month after month. Money machine number 6. You can recommend products from eBay and get paid commissions from eBay month over month. Money machine number 7. You can earn from AliExpress by recommending products from over 10 million products that they have, and this is very popular. Money machine number 8. You can get paid when people buy daily essentials from Walmart and place home delivery orders. Money machine number 9. You can recommend products from Best Buy and earn commissions from all the sales that people buy from bestbuy.com. Money machine number 10. You can earn commissions from Envato by recommending digital products, themes, and graphics. Money machine number 11. You can earn anywhere from $20 to $500 per sale in commissions by recommending products from ClickBank. This pays really well. Money machine number 12. You can add your own inline link ads and turn any keywords on your site into offer links and earn commissions from sales. Money machine number 13. You can make money from info links style in-text image ads and promote CPA offers or any kind of affiliate offers using this method. Money machine number 14. You can add floating call to action ads and promote offers, get paid for every click or make money per sale. Money machine number 15. You can add a top bar that promotes offers or helps you build your email list and make more money from that. Money machine number 16. You can add a nice slider like this and promote any offers or run ads for any business this way. Money machine number 17. You can show pop-up ads on your site and get paid for impressions or clicks. Money machine number 18. You can add an amazing new sticker style ad and get paid for this or promote offers using this method. This gets a lot of attention. Money machine number 19. You can add floating banners that float on your site, very prominent, and you can charge a lot more money for this. Money machine number 20. And finally, you can add these e-com style product cards that advertise different products and get more sales for any products of your own or even affiliate offers of any site. These are 20 amazing money machines that you can add to your site today, which is not possible to do manually. Only with the Money Machine plugin you can do this. And you're probably leaving a lot of money on the table by not having these on your site. Even if one money machine adds 10% more income to your site, by adding 20 of these, you will have 200% more income from your site. Now that is amazing. Top bloggers and news sites use many of these money machines to 10x or even 20x their site income. I've added many of these to my own content sites and skyrocketed their income from making $10 per day to over $200 per day. This is how you 20x your income. So all you need to do is download the WP Money Machine plugin from this page today. Add this to your site and start making more money by adding money machines to your websites. If your sites are not making you any money, take action today and download the WP Money Machine plugin from this page. All you have to do is click the buy button below and download your plugin. Thanks.